Today we discuss on a topic probability. Now we see the examples on probability. And a basket contains 2 red, 3 green and 2 blue balls. If 2 balls are drawn at random, then find the probability that no ball is blue. No ball is blue. Here total balls are. Here total balls are. Here total balls are 2 red, 3 green, 2 blue. 2 red, 3 green, 2 blue. Total balls are 7 balls. Total balls are 7 balls. Out of 7 balls, 2 balls are drawn at random. Then sample space n of s is equal to, out of 7 balls, 2 balls are drawn randomly. Then 7c2, that is 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 factorial, 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Here we write 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 factorial get cancelled. Here 7 into 6 divided by 2. Then n of s is equal to 21. Then n of s, number of sample, n of s is equal to 21. Then we find n of a. Find the probability that no ball is blue. Here, find the probability that no ball is blue. No ball is blue. Find the probability that no ball is blue. Then here total ball then no ball is blue. Here total balls are 2 plus 3 5. Here can't take blue ball. 2 plus 3 5. Then n of a is equal to, out of 5 balls, 2 balls are drawn randomly. Out of 5 balls, 2 balls are drawn randomly. Then 5c2 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Here we write 5 factorial as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 into 1. 3 factorial get cancelled. Then 5 into 4 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. Then n of a is equal to 10. n of a is equal to 10. Here n of a is equal to 10. Now here we find n of p of a, probability of a. Here then we find probability of a. Now here p of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. P of a, probability of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. n of a is equal to 10 and n of s is equal to 21. Then p of a, probability of a is equal to 10. P of a is equal to 10 divided by 11. This is your probability. Then probability is equal to 10 divided by 11. Now next, in a class there are 15 boys and 10 girls. 3 students are selected at random. 3 students are selected at random. The probability that the selected students are 2 boys and 1 girl. Probability that selected students are 2 boys and 1 girl is. Now here we find, here total student is equal to 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. Total students are 25. Out of 25, 3 students select at random. 3 students are selected at random. Then n of s is equal to out of 25 students, 3 students selected at randomly. Out of 25 students, 3 students are selected at randomly. Then we write 25 factorial divided by 25 minus 3 is 22 factorial into 3 factorial. 25 factorial divided by 25 minus 3 is 22 factorial into 3 factorial. This is right as a 25 into 24 into 23 divided by 20 into 22 factorial divided by 3 factorial means 3 into 2. 20 factorial get cancelled. Then 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8. Here 25 into 4 into 23. Then your n of s, here we write n of s. N of s is equal to 25 into 24 into 23. 25 into 24 into 4. 25 into 4 into 23. This is n of s. Now here we find n of a. Find the probability. Then event is 2 boys out of 3 selected. 2 are boys and 1 is girl and 1 is girl. Then n of a is equal to 2 boys are selected from total boys are 15 boys. Then 2 boys are selected from 15 boys, 15 C 2, and 1 girl selected from 10 girls into this here and means into 1 girl is 10 C 1. Here we write 15 C 2 means 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 2, 13 factorial into 2 factorial into 10 C1 means 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 1, 9 factorial into 1 factorial. Here we write n of a is equal to 15 into 14 into 13 factorial divided by 13 factorial into 2 factorial. 13 get cancelled. 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into 10 factorial write as 10 factorial into 9 10 into 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial into 1 factorial means 1 into 1. Here 9 factorial get cancelled. Here 2 is remain. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Here n of a is equal to 15 into 14 into 5. 15 into 14 into 5. Here we write n of a is equal to 15 into 14 into 5. 15 into 14 into 5. Now we will find P of A. Here we find P of A. Here P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of A divided by n of S. Then n of A is equal to 15 into 14 into 5, 15 into 14 into 5, 15 into 14 into 5. N of S is equal to 25 into 4 into 23. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. Here remain is 7 into 3 divided by 2 into 23. That is 21 divided by 46. Then your probability is 21 divided by 26. Then probability that selected student are 2 boys and 1 girl. Probability that selected student are 2 boys and 1 girl is 21 divided by 46. 21 divided by 46. The 4 persons are chosen at random from group of 3 men. Here 4 persons are chosen at random from group of 3 men, 2 women and 4 children. Then chance that exactly 2 of them children are. Chance of exactly 2 of them children are. Here now 4 persons are chosen random from group of 3 men, 2 women and 4 children. Then total person 3 men, 2 women and 4 children. That is 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. Total persons are 9. Here we find n of s. N of s is equal to, here out of 9 persons, 4 persons are selected. Out of 9 persons, 4 persons are selected by 9C4. 4 persons are selected by 9C4. Here we write 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 4, 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Here 9 factorial written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 factorial get cancelled here. Here 4 2 the 8 cancel. 3 1 the 3 2 the 6. Here remaining is 9 into 7 into 2. That is 9 into 14. We write here 9 only 9 into 14. Then n of s is equal to n of s. Your n of s is equal to 9 into 14. N of s is equal to 9 into 14. Now we find n of a. We find n of a. Here n of a is equal to their chance exactly 2 of them are children. Exactly 2 of them are children. Exactly 2 of them are children. Now here we exactly 2 of them are children means out of 4 children. Then here n of a is equal to out of 4 children, 2 children are selected. Then remaining are this keep the remaining persons are 5. From that 5 person, 2 persons are selected. Total selected persons are 4. There are exactly 2 children. Means from 4 children we select 2 children by 4C2 into remaining 2 are non-children. Means males and women. Total males and women are 5C2. Here we find n of a. 4C2 means 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 factorial means 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Now here we write 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 into 1. And 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 3 factorial get cancelled. 2 factorial get cancelled. 2 1 the 2 2 the 4. Then here 2 1 the 2 2 the 4. Remaining is 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. Then here 60. Then your n of a is equal to 60. N of a is equal to 60. Here write n of a is equal to 60. N of a is equal to 60. Now here probability, here 4 C 2 4 factorial divided 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 4 into 2 into 2 factorial divided 2 factorial into 2 and 5 factorial means 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Here 5 4 into 3 factorial 2 factorial. Here 2 factorial get cancelled. 2 2 the 4 2 into 6 and remain 5 into 3 factorial get cancelled. 2 to the 4 2 into 60. Then n of a, your n of a is equal to 60. Now here we find n of a is equal to 9 into 14, n of a is equal to 60. Now we find the probability n of a, sorry p of a. We find the probability. Then p of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. Your n of a is equal to n of a is equal to 60 and n of a is equal to 40. Here 3 3s are 9, 3 20. Here remaining 20 into 3 into 14. Then 2 10s are 2 7s are. Here remaining is 3 upon 3 into 7. Your answer is 10 upon 21. 10 upon 21. 10 upon 21. Then your answer is 10 upon 21. The chance that exactly two of them are children is 10 upon 21. Now your answer is 10 upon 21. Same. 3 cards are randomly drawn from pack of 52 cards. 3 cards are randomly drawn from pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of 2 cards being red in color? What is the probability of 2 cards being red in color and 1 card being black in color and 1 card being black in color? Here 3 cards are selected randomly from 52 cards. 3 cards are selected randomly from 52 cards. Then n of s is equal to 52 C 3. Then we find n of s is equal to 52 C 3. Here we find n of s. Then 52 C 3. Write 52 factorial divided by 52 minus 3, that is 49 factorial into 3 factorial. 49 factorial into 3 factorial. Here we write 52 factorial. 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 factorial divided by 49 factorial into 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 49 49 get cancelled. Here remains is 3 3 1 the 3. Here 3 1 the 3 remains 2 17. Here 2 means 2 1 the 25. Here n of s is equal to n of s. Your n of s is equal to 52 into 17 into 25. This is your n of s. 52 into 17 into 25. Now we find n of a. Your n of s is equal to 52 into 17 into 25. This is your N of S. Now we find N of A. Here, probability of two cards being red color and one card being black color. Here, at a 52 cards, total red cards are 26 and total black cards are 26. Total red cards are 26. Total black cards are 26. Here now, out of 26 red cards, two cards being red. Then here N of A is equal to two red cards. Two cards are red and one card is black. But here we find N of A. N of A is equal to, out of 26 cards, two cards are drawn. 26 C2 and remaining 26 black cards, from remaining 26 black cards, one card is drawn. 26 C1. Here we find N of A. This is N of S. We find N of A. Then we write 26 C2 into 26 C1. Here we write 26 factorial divided by 26 minus 2 is 24 factorial into 2 factorial into 26 factorial. 26 minus 1 is 25 factorial into 1 factorial. We here find 26 into 25 into 24 factorial divided by 24 factorial into 2 into 1, and here 26 into 25 factorial divided by 25 factorial into 1 factorial means 1. 25 factorial get cancelled. 24 factorial get cancelled. Here remain is 26 into, then N of A. Here N of A is equal to 26 into 25 into 13. 26 into 25 into 13. This is your N of A. Now here we find the probability. Of A. Here we find probability of A. Then Q of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Then your N of A is equal to 26 into 25 into 13 divided by 52 into 70 into 25. Then 25 get cancelled. Here remain is 26 into 26 to the 52. Here remain is 13 divided by 2 into 17. Then your answer is 13 divided by 34. Your answer is 13 divided by 34. Then probability of two cards being red in color and one card being black in color is 13 divided by 34. This is your answer. Now next, here Ronnie has a bag containing 7 red and 9 green balls. From it drawn out 6 balls simultaneously at random. The probability that 4 of them are red and rest are green. Here total balls are 6 plus 7. Total balls are 7 plus 9. That is 16 balls. Total balls are 16 balls. Then n of s is equal to 16c6. Here 16c6 means 16 factorial divided by 16 factorial divided by 16 factorial divided by 16 minus 6, 10 factorial into 6 factorial, 10 factorial into 6 factorial. Here we write 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 6 factorial means 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 10 get cancel. Here remaining is 6 2 the 12. Here 5 1 the 5, 5 3 the 15. Here 4 1 the 4 4 the 64. Here 3 remain, 3 get cancelled. Then remaining is 4 into 14 into 13 into 11. This is your n of s. Here we write n of s. Then n of s is equal to 4 into 14 into 13 into 11. This is your n of s. Now here we find n of a. Here n of a is equal to here out of 7 red ball, 4 red balls are drawn. Then out of 7, 4 red are drawn. Then out of remaining 2, out of 9 green ball, 2 green balls are drawn by 9c2. Here we write here 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 4, 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 9 factorial into 9 minus 2, 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Here we write 7 factorial means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial means 3 2 1 into 4 factorial into 9 factorial means 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 2 into 1. 7 get cancel, 4 get cancel. Here remain 2 3 the 6. Here remain 2 4 the 8. Then remaining is 7 5 the 35 into 9 4 the 36. 9 4 the 36. This is your n of a. Here n of a. Here we write n of a. This is your n of a. Then n of a is equal to 35 into 36. 35 into 36. Then we find p of a. We find the p of a. Then p of a is equal to n of a. That is 35 into 36 divided by n of s. That is 4 into 14 into 30 into 11. Here 7 to the 14, 7 5 the 35. Remaining 4 1 the 4, 4 9 the 46. Remaining is 5 into 9 divided by 2 into 13 into 11. Then your answer is 45. 45 divided by 22. 286. Then your probability is 45 divided by 286. Your probability is 45 divided by 286. This is your answer. Now next. Now we see the next. There are 4 red, 6 black and 5 blue balls in a bag. Out of these balls, 4 balls pick at random from the bag. Then what is the probability that one is red, 2 is black and 1 is blue color? Here we find n of s. N of s is equal to total balls are 16 balls. Out of 16 balls, 4 balls are drawn. 4 balls are drawn. Here by 16 4 see 4. Here we write 16 factorial divided by 16 minus 4 is 12 factorial into 4 factorial. Here 16 factorial means 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 means 4, 3, 2 into 1. 12 factorial get cancelled. Then remain is 10 into 14 into 13. 10 into 14 into 13. Now here we find n of a. Is equal to out of 5 red balls, 4 balls. Out of 4 balls, 1 ball is red. There are 5 red balls. Out of 1 is 1 drawn. 2 are 6 black. 2 are black, and remaining out of 5, 1 is blue. 5C1. Now here 5C1 is 5. 6C2 is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into 5 factorial means 5. 4 factorial get cancelled. Then here 15 into 25. 15 into 25. Here n of s, this is n of s, and your n of a is equal to n of a is equal to 15 into 25. Now we find the probability P of a. We find the probability P of a. Then P of a is equal to P of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. Then n of a is equal to 15 into 25. Then n of s is equal to 10, 14 into 13. Yes, 75 into 28 into 13. 28 into 13 we take multiplication. $364. Then your answer is 35 divided by 364. This is your answer. 35 divided by 364.